Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of baking with a classic favorite, chocolate chip cookies. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this step by step guide will have you baking like a pro in no time. Let's start with the basics. Gather your ingredients: flour, sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla extract, baking soda, salt, and of course, those irresistible chocolate chips. Now, here's a common challenge: achieving that perfect, chewy texture. The secret? It's all in the butter. Make sure it's softened, not melted, to create that delightful chewiness. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's warming up, cream together the butter and sugars until light and fluffy. Add in the eggs and vanilla, mixing until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add this to your wet mixture, stirring until just combined. Finally, fold in the chocolate chips. Scoop the dough onto a baking sheet, leaving enough space for spreading. Pop them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. And there you have it, perfectly baked chocolate chip cookies ready to be enjoyed. Remember, baking is all about experimenting and having fun, so feel free to tweak the recipe to your liking. We'd love to hear how your cookies turned out. Share your baking adventures in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!